Extremely popular with their early PBJs that were rugged, dependable, and reasonable. Now, surrounding the PBJ is the infamous Mitsubishi A673. The attack complete on the Japanese target. The PBJ circles back around again for yet another attack. This time being trailed by the Japanese Zero, the most formidable fighter of the Imperial Army and Navy of Japan during the Second World War. The PBJ now getting set up for another attack run, and on its tail the Zero, guns blazing. But the Japanese Zero, very lightweight, but admittedly with 2.7. But also, it had a weak point. The fact was the airplane, because of its light weight, was so maneuverable. This was a result of having no armament, pilot protection, or self-sealing fuel tanks. So the right shot to one critical part on a Zero could cause total destruction of the aircraft. The B-25, a medium bomber, much heavier, less maneuverable than the Zero, but still adequately armed, with 4 50 caliber machine guns in the nose, 2 50 caliber machine guns in the top turret right behind the cockpit, a 50 caliber on the left and right side of the fuselage, and twin 50s in the tail of the aircraft are going to prove more than an equal match for the Japanese Zero. B-25 Mitchell was introduced to the Army Airport in 1949 and named in honor of Brigadier General William Mitchell, who was a pioneer of U.S. military aviation. The aircraft was used by many Allied forces. The B-25 served in every theater of World War II, and after the war ended, many remained in service operating across 4 decades. Produced in numerous variants, nearly 10,000 B-25s were built. These included several limited models, such as the F-10 reconnaissance aircraft and the AGM3 cruise trainer. In the United States Marine Corps, the PBJ-1 was a patrol bomber, and the aircraft you see here today is the only Marine Corps PBJ in the world. The Zero, still on the trail, why is he breaking away? Not having any success attacking the rear of the aircraft. Now watch as the PBJ turns around at your air show right for another attack run.
Yes.
And the Zero to your air show left will do a 180-degree turn, meet its opponent head-on, and this time press home the formidable head-on attack. Whether or not the Zero pilot is aware of the 450 caliber machine guns in the nose of the B-25, we're going to find out here in just a moment. Again, the Zero, 2 7.7 caliber machine guns, 2 20-millimeter cannons in the nose of that aircraft. The Mitchell from the right, the Zero from the left. And that's about half the combat rate of one of the Navy's most lethal fighters in the Second World War, the Grumman F-6 Hellcat. Still on the attack, this Zero continues to press on. Air show right, a sight to behold with 2 one-of-a-kind aircraft in formation together. Aircraft is left away from North American PBJ Mitsubishi A673. Today the Zero is being flown by Rob Kirkberg. Purposeful lines of the PBJ and the sleek, clean design of the Mitsubishi Zero.